Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best vocal tips for beginners in Carnatic music. Tip 1. Proper breath control is key in Carnatic music. Take deep breaths from your diaphragm and ensure a steady flow of air while singing. This helps you maintain pitch stability and improve your overall vocal quality. Tip 2. Pay attention to your diction. Clear pronunciation of syllables is crucial in Carnatic music. Practice articulating each word with precision, emphasizing the correct vowel and consonant sounds. Tip 3. Develop a good sense of rhythm. Learn to keep time with your singing, following the beat set by the accompanying musicians. Practice on a metronome and gradually increase your speed to improve your sense of rhythm. Tip 4. One of the key elements in Carnatic music is the use of gamikas. These are intricate ornamentations that add beauty and depth to the melody. Learn to incorporate gamikas into your singing by practicing sliding between notes and adding gentle oscillations. Tip 5. Practice regularly and with dedication. Consistency is crucial to honing your skills in Carnatic music. Set aside specific time every day to practice your vocal exercises, scales, and compositions. For beginners venturing into the world of Carnatic vocal music, here are some valuable tips to help you get started and develop a strong foundation. Swaras and basic exercises. Begin by mastering the 7 swaras sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Practice singing them clearly and accurately. Engage in basic swara exercises like sarari varisai, janta varisai, and alankaras to strengthen your voice and improve your pitch precision. Ragas and melodies. Start with simple ragas that have fewer complexities in terms of note patterns. Ragas like Mohanam, Mayamalagovla, and Bilahari are good choices. Focus on singing the arohana, ascending notes, and avarohana, descending notes, of each raga accurately. Breath control and voice modulation. Learn to control your breath. Deep breath supports sustained notes and phrases. Work on voice modulation to add expression and emotional depth to your singing. Tala and rhythm. Practice different talas, rhythmic cycles, like Adi, Rupika, and Misra to develop a sense of rhythm. Combine swara and tala exercises to enhance your rhythmic skills. Listening and imitation. Listen to experienced Carnatic musicians to grasp the nuances of ragas, ornamentations, and improvisations. Try to imitate their renditions to develop a better understanding of the style and intricacies. Learn from a guru. Enroll in formal training under an experienced Carnatic music teacher, guru. A guru can provide personalized guidance and correct your mistakes. Warm-ups and vocal care. Begin your practice sessions with vocal warm-up exercises to avoid strain on your vocal cords. Stay hydrated and maintain good vocal hygiene to ensure the health of your voice. Consistent practice. Dedicate regular time to practice singing. Consistency is key to improving your skills. Record and evaluate. Record your practice sessions and performances. Listen to them critically to identify areas for improvement. Performance and confidence. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these essential tips will help you on your journey to mastering Carnatic vocal music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy singing!